Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about iPhone and iPad printing. That's right, many of you probably know this, but there's a lot of you that don't know that if you have the right printer, you can print documents directly from your iPhone and iPad. We're going to switch screens here, talk about Apple AirPrint, and how it enables you to print from your mobile device. Let's switch screens like we always do, and we are on the Apple AirPrint screen. Now at Apple's website, they've got a document about AirPrint. So as it explains on the site, AirPrint is the technology that allows you to send out documents from your iOS device, meaning your iPhone and iPad, without installing drivers. AirPrint technology was created in conjunction with a lot of printer manufacturers. If you go to support.apple.com, or if you just type in about AirPrint, it will take you to the site that will allow you to go through and see what type of printers will work with Apple. And that's very important because not all printers are Apple AirPrint printers. So if you go through the list here, as we scroll down, you can see it'll list by manufacturer in alphabetical order of which printer models will work with Apple AirPrint. Some of the popular models that you might want to consider purchasing if you are wanting to use the Apple AirPrint is Brother would be a good brand to go with. Konica Minolta, some of the Biz Hubs allow you to print from your iPhone if you're in an office environment. Kyocera is another manufacturer that is made or that makes products for office printers. But going through the list here, as you can see, the list is quite extensive. When the iPhone first came out, the list was very limited, but now a lot of printers on the market will allow you to print using the AirPrint technology. One of the more popular models that you will find in the list will be HP. Now, one of the things that makes a printer an AirPrint printer is the fact that it is a wireless printer. So if you have a wireless printer, it's possible that if you go to airprint.com that you will see your wireless printer on here. Now, to also keep in mind too that even though you have a wireless printer, that printer has to be currently connected to your Wi-Fi network, and the same goes with your iPhone. To give you an example, we're going to open up our handy dandy software, the PowerSoft Phone Manager. We're going to display full screen of my iPhone, and we're going to log into the iPhone and see what's going on. So right now we are in my iPhone. So what I want to do is get out of this email real quick before we show you how to print, and then we're going to go into settings of the iPhone. So if we go to settings, as you can see, we're connected to a Wi-Fi network, which is important for your iOS device in order for you to connect to your other devices. Same thing with your iPad. You need to make sure that your printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your iPhone or iPad is, and you also need to make sure that your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. And so you can go into settings and confirm that that is the case. If not, you can go into the settings, click on Wi-Fi, and then choose your home wireless network and input the settings in the Wi-Fi network. Now, onto the fun stuff, which is to print. So let's open up an email. And there's an email from runtastic.com. And let's say I want to print that email out because I want a hard copy of it. So what I would do is go to the little swoosh down here at the bottom, and I'll use the mouse to kind of highlight that. Let's go to the swoosh. And then once we're under the swoosh, we'll get the print menu. If I click on print, it brings me up to an option to select printer. Now, if you're printing for the first time, it will ask you to search for a printer. So you would click on select. But once you select your AirPrint printer, which is this OfficeJet Pro, when you print in the future, it will always allow you to print. Now, as you can see, I can choose multiple copies. I can do double-sided or color, depending, or even black and white, depending on my printer. Your printer may not give you specific options. I can turn double-sided off. I can turn black and white on, just like I could from my desktop computer. So all the options are there, essentially making your iPhone as powerful as your desktop or laptop computer. Once I've chosen all my options, I can just hit the print button, which I'm not going to do, but I'll show you on the mouse, and then it will print out my email. Now, you're not just limited to emails. You could also print out photos too if you want to use up your ink on your inkjet printer. So we're going to exit out of email, and we're going to go into photos, and we've got a photo that's already up. So what I want to do is go to this down here at the bottom, follow the mouse, go down here to the bottom where you've got the menu option. So if I click on that menu option, I can choose print, and then once print comes up, I get the same options. I can hit select printer, choose my HP printer, and then I can just print that photo out. And then I can choose the number of copies that I want to print out. So photos, email, documents, you name it, you can print it from your iPhone and iPad with no problem. So hopefully that helps you out and allows you to turn your mobile device more into a desktop device so that you have a little bit more freedom to print documents from your mobile device when you're on the go. But remember, you do need a Wi-Fi AirPrint enabled printer, and you can go to Apple AirPrint to find out which printers are AirPrint enabled, because you need that in order to print wirelessly from your mobile device. Hopefully that tech tip allows you to turn your smartphone into a more powerful tool. So check it out and let me know what you think about printing wirelessly from your mobile device. So hopefully this tech tip was good for you. If you want to find out more tech tips, you could check us out on YouTube, myself, Burton Kelso, the technology expert, or my company, Integral. There's hundreds of videos there that are designed to help you get more from the technology that you use. You can also check us out on social media. We're all on the social media channels. So tune in to Integral or Burton Kelso, the technology expert, on all of the social media channels to get tips that are designed to help you get the most from the technology that you use in your home or business. So folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.